Here's how to use Windows Reliability Monitor, the built-in tool that records every crash, error, and update on a timeline so you can finally see what is breaking your PC and when it started. Press the Windows key and type Reliability. Click View Reliability History. Alternatively, go to Control Panel, then Security and Maintenance, then View Reliability History. The window shows a graph with a stability score from 1 to 10. Sudden drops on specific days are your biggest clues. Under the graph, you will see three types of icons: red X marks for critical crashes, yellow warning triangles for minor issues, and blue info icons for installs and updates. Here is how to use it. Find the day your problem started. Look at the blue info icons first. A Windows update, driver update, or new app installed that day is often the culprit. Then, check if red X marks appear on the same day or the day after. That connection tells you what caused the crash. If the same app name appears under Application Failures repeatedly, that app needs to be updated or removed. If you're considering a system restore, find the last day your stability score was high with no red marks. That is your best restore point. If your score has been below 5 for days in a row, something is consistently wrong and needs attention. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.